Oh, God.
You should have broke your neck. We are watching for all pervert.
Like it was a pleasure for me. I was wondering, how come they let you free to roam the yard without your leash?
Looking at that awake with a burn. Me come out of a free my mind, you see? And you disturb my tranquility. So may I beg you. You see, if you don't want to see the wrong side of me, just all your carcass somewhere so make me breathe in peace.
Vulgar never see, come see. See, now I know what you used to do before you got lucky with a lottery. You were a damn go-go dancer. Yes, I saw you. Gyrating your body without pride. Disgraceful. A big woman like you acting in such fashion. Sickening.
So you let see me move. So why you never come ask me for your dance? And yes, I was a go-go. But remember, say your mother teach me all of my trick them. Right and out order, all nastiness. Go from me, all Zanzibar.
You will hear from my lawyers about this. Rest assured, this is war. Hello? Yes. Officer, I would like to report an assault and robbery with aggravation. No. It's two different situations, but I'm saying, no, you see what had happened was, this old Jezebel next door, yeah, I was in my yard minding my own business and she just wet me up. No, but that's why I'm calling you. You're the law, ain't it? Okay, I'll be outside waiting. Good. You see?
Camera, action started. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican target. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house, a car. Me the girls them honey, but that's a if I probably a when. Or if you get lucky, it really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me. We are them mother man. Yes, we are them mother man.
Heroin.
Yo, Ben's crew. Uptown, downtown, roundtown, crosstown. Yo, Brook Valley, Sherlock, New Haven, Save You Gardens, Shotgun Falcon, a piece we are dealing with. Any boy about the piece, you know them have to meet it. See me I say, more quality thing. Want you? Yo, watch your
Yeah.
man. So we will up with the crew and things step in the building. You're the whole place. Man a boss about ice and ring when them side they ring.
Well, now, David, you have a piece of food for you know.
Yeah, man. I that more here a long time, man. How stay?
But you know, I want the dub do properly, though.
Oh, yeah, man. Anything you say, Father Paul, man. You're the boss, yeah?
Bakra, line up the fate rhythm.
I wish you want.
You know, so that one them I want look up on the stage. That one them I want first.
You know, say, I think my voice a song there for you already, you know. My voice a song there already for dub, man, but I don't know me hear that play.
Oh, no voice that for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. The engineer Bakra, man. Invite we now voice it, man.
Bakra! Oh, I don't know about that one there. Bakra! Bakra! I will deal with it. Just send it, you know. Just go around there, go voice something, you know. Don't know, you know. I just do the thing, cause I have to deal with this.
Alright,
I have to go deal with it.
Hype!
Member.
Yo, Mr. Father Paul, you don't know, you know, Billy Slaughter, Rory.
Yo, Nico, man, no watch nothing, you know.
Choo. Look up on the stage, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's a stone low sound, it's a damn thing changed too. Who's next on?
Officer Varango, what can I do for you? Look a bit early, man. The dinner already ate.
There was a report made at the station that you assaulted Mr. Wedderburn, and I'm here to take your statement, ma'am. And since I know both of your history, I know it might just be true. And if that's the case, then I'm gonna have to take you in.
Come on, Officer Varanga. Why you so formal? Come on, man. I was just making a little bit of joke, you know. Come in and have a seat. No, you work very hard. Rest your foot a little bit, man. So, officer, may I offer you something to drink? Because I know you're on the job, you know, and outside there's a little you made. In syrup?
Just some water, thank you.
Oh, water. Good choice.
So tell me what happened from the beginning.
From the beginning? You can sit down in, officer. You okay? All right. So what you say, from the beginning?
From the beginning.
Okay. Well, you see, officer, it all started like this. When that fool and I next door broke up. And from that, he must stop terrorizing me. And for put on top of it, I move out and leave
Hold on. I move out? You never know that possible.
And because of that, I get so depressed. So I decided I'm going to go outside and clear my head. I started to water my garden when that cockroach verbally assaulted me. I dropped my hose because I don't want any problems. And all of a sudden, I hear him shout out, say me wet him up. And how am I going to make me pay for? And all this war and all sorts of things. Can't deal with it, in officer. I'm afraid for walking in my own yard. Because I know him not too right upstairs.
So hold on. You're saying that you are afraid of him?
Yes, officer.
Please, Miss Beatrice, you two will know better than that. This just sounds like a domestic dispute, so I'll just leave you with a warning this time. But off the record, me know you wet him up. Yes, him have camera and him record it. But I just come for warn you. Okay, alright? Okay. Tell hi for me.
Officer, off the record, you know that I'm a changed person.
You change?
Yes.
Miss Beatrice, come on.
Listen to me, officer. Me and your friend from long time. You know, say anyone never change me. I mash him down long time, you know.
Officer, how come you're not carting off the criminal to jail for assaulting me? I show you a tape of her deliberately and without provocation assaulting me, causing me bodily harm.
Now, Mr. Wedderburn, please. The two of you know say I lie that. For you to say it is without provocation, isn't that stretching the truth a little bit? Stop wasting police time with a little trivial lover spot, man.
I cannot catch a break. The mother's a pest, the son is worse. I thought I at least got rid of him. Now he's living in my apartment.
Apartment? I never know you have an apartment, man. You know, it's last week my supers asked me if I know any good apartments to rent.
Oh yes, I have a lovely apartment complex that I built over 17 years ago when I was still a young chap in England.
How nice. So where you say it is again?
It's over by the Constant Spring area. It's 11, I forgot the road.
And Mr. Wedderburn, try to get along with your neighbors.
But wait, you didn't give me the number for the You never gave me the number, eh? Officer! Hey! Put up your head. Yo!
Thinking of some money, some money I got running on the fake that I'm saying, yo.
You don't love that, you know, yo.
I'm not telling you, I am know the thing going on.
Yo, you can't let me the vehicle, man. Oh, go on.
Yeah, man.
Just, yo. Hear me and say no. I go down the road and I come and check out one cat, you know, you see it?
Nah, you remember that? Say a
Do
word.
it.
Catty. You're a fool. Yo, show me. Listen, you must stop going like you make too much big tune. Cause me never see your name on them record there. None at all.
Yeah, but that's why I call me Ghost Rider, you know, because I ride it, nobody did it. This is years before Pete did it, and all these people, you know, these are the things I do. Working
You
with,
produced Michael Jackson.
yeah, man, Billie Jean was not, what do you think that song is about, man? I was one about Billie Jeans, man. It was about a person.
Really a lie.
Look,
Yeah,
yeah, but she was not my lover. She's just a girl, you know. These are the things that people don't know, you know.
You produced Billie Jean.
Human Nature, all these tunes, man. And I told Bob Marley that, you know, you can't do no woman no cry and woman hold your head and cry on the same album, because you're going to confuse the people. You know, it's either the woman cry or the woman don't cry. You know, these are the things, you can confuse the people. You can't have both of these things in the same album. These are the things, people don't know these things, right? And now I'm going to take these things to foreigners, you know? And I want you guys to be the face of my new restaurant chain, you know, on the North Coast. You know, you're foreign, you have IAP, I'm going to start a I&I apps, you know, which is like Heitel stew and pancake. You know, we're gonna bridge the gap from foreign. That's why I can have this expensive 500 US cigar and a $50 lighter. You know, just bridge the gap.
Put me food in there.
Yes, what you want?
Oh yeah.
Chicken.
Let me see it. Coming out. Oh, all right. Cool. Nice. Properly. How that peer?
That's lovely, man.
Don't make me know.
Man, I don't even need your chicken. You know, me and Usain Bolt, we're gonna open up our own line of fried chicken restaurants, you know? KFC got 9-piece, we're gonna have 9.58 piece chicken. And it's like super fast food, we're gonna call it world record fast food, you know? You don't get your chicken in 9.58 second food free. You know, these are the things. People don't even know these things, you know?
Hello, miss. Could you go and call that woman for me? I need to have a few words with her.
Good day to you, Mr. Wedderburn. And who exactly is that woman you're talking about? She have a name?
Look here, girl. You go and get that woman now. I have no time for the foolishness.
What is all this fly by night, pitch by day, half that chimney face when I come style as girl? Look, you know, you stop with the wrong one inside here today. Dirty Wedderburn. If I ever tell me I can't have you, oh, yeah, come style as girl.
I dare you, you old Jezebel. Come. I'll have the police here so fast to make your head spin. Come, touch me. Come.
Easy, man. No, work it.
Come.
Hey, listen, wait a minute. What happened to you? Where you coming from, eh? What you want now?
I said I want to have a word with your mother. Look, I have a doctor bill here she needs to pay for my tragic fall, or I'll be suing her.
Right. So you think I'm firing him there? Galango Sue. After you come in here, come harass my friend, you come look money again. You can't.
You know what? I don't need this. You tell your mother that she needs to get in contact with me before the week ends, or I'll be filing charges.
Charges for what, idiot Wedderburn? Well, you know easy. You come here for war. No, it's war you want. One, you send police come on my yard. And now you come on my business place and I verbally assault my friend. And then you have the nerve to come talk about so. You know something? You know I'm going to deal with you once and for all. Because I'm sick and tired of you. Me don't want you pop down Wedderburn. I'll beg you best close and dump you.
Oh, please, give me a break. Don't flatter yourself, my dear. Don't flatter yourself. You were just something for me to pass time with. You know, you were nothing at all. Don't flatter yourself. Give me a break. You were nothing special.
You know, Vita. Eh? Yeah, come talk about kill time. You lucky so she even give a minute or time. Right on face, you got that boy I vex because she dump you.
Wait, me never tell you. Me can't even walk in my yard in peace or the man will stop watch me. Him is nothing but a stalker.
What boy you got there though?
Oh, very good, eh? You threaten me. I'll be going to the authorities with this. You threaten me.
So what will I be? How you threaten him? You know, she said no normal. I want real Bellevue patient you did that with. Look here now, sir. Go on in your yard, go take your pill them. Sick man.
You want to tell a man to come out and go about him business, you know? Because I see if him continues to place to come test me for you, he must go get some from what police station, you know? You know some one, but you're going, you know?
Go ahead.
That's it. You both threaten me. Now you'll see who is crazy.
I want to this fool. Watch me on him backside. You empty the rubbish yet, Precious?
No. Why?
Mommy, what you going to do? I don't like that look on your face, mommy. I know you know.
Just cool her, babes. Just come help me, your Auntie Precious. Alright? Him love police, make her fuss him. Oh, and call your girl Varaga for me. And you don't have to stay. Just help her and then you can go.
I don't like how that sound, you know.
Precious, go lock the door and come.
I don't like how that sound at all.
Only don't touch anything. Oh my gosh.
Miss Beatrice, what happened?
You see me tell you, officer, the man I get mad. It look like the family disengage him. Him not stop antagonize me. And now look here. Him come at my restaurant, come do this. What me make me live in?
Him say him a come back again. And but wait until she reach. So me hear him.
So-
Him no look right at all, officer.
So hold on. Nobody never tried to stop him? And him do all of this by himself? Where was hype? Is him call me, so I just figure say he would at least intervene.
Him never there here. Him leave before the man start going crazy. So I ask him for calling because I swear him they go kill me. And then me and Precious was here alone. I go in the kitchen, go lock up. And when we come out of this, we see. I didn't hear him, but Lord, my restaurant.
It's alright, I will help you clean up. Me there feel me, sister.
This is a serious offense, you know. This is vandalism. He can get some serious jail time for this. You want me to press charges?
Yes. Yes. I might feel at peace.
All right. Don't touch anything.
Oh, God. What am I going to do? And that him come for.
And that him forget.
So what about soap and tissue? Chow man, why never just text me the list, man? You need to get up to the time, you know.
Take time with me, you know, Miss Technology. But you know what I need, man. Yeah, you know what I like. Love you, now, man. I'm there to wash down the car.
Okay, my baby. No problem. I'll take lunch for you, because you know you're dead stock. I can't depend on you with that. Oh, hello? Sir? Could you have my check ready, please, when I get there for my day's work?
Oh, man, you know, so I could have never stopped to hear you.
Thank you, Mr. Ibe. You're welcome.
All right. Yo, Villa, where you say? Yeah, man, I soon reach, man. You are there at the door. Soon come.
Hey.
Oh, yes, mommy, I promise to here.
So where you going every day? Oh, my word. What a woman nasty, sir. No, sir, me never grow him. This boy need a good woman. Oh, what is...
Hello, good day. Junior inside.
And who are you?
Didi.
It looks so.
I'm our girlfriend. You must be the helper. Oh, these are mine. Thanks. Tell me to come here.
Girlfriend? Not while I still blow breath. Hold on there. Here's how much woman this one boy I have.
Damn, a demon spawn. I came looking for you to let you know the scheme to frame me didn't work. My lawyers had to work overtime to get me released from jail. But thanks to you, I had to once again spend the whole weekend in jail.
I just think too. And that you come for, so and that you get. All garbage. Them never tell us you never play with fire, you will get burned. You never hear about me? You think me nice.
Fire? You want to see fire? I'm gonna kill you, you witch. Murder! Murder! Hype!
Checkmate.
What's the talking to them?
Benz Crew.
Tell them expect for live.
I don't know, speak to them.
Yeah, joke business. Benzly, cause them a just muggle mouth. Muggle mouth. And them not have nothing where them a come and muggle boat. Them a just muggle mouth. Muggle mouth. You checking at them pocket, not a kind, not a note. Them a just muggle mouth. Muggle mouth. And can't show me nothing where them come and muggle boat. Them a just muggle mouth. Muggle mouth. You checking at them pocket and them pocket in a throat. I tell me about your money and you can't show no house. I tell me about your visa and you still can't fly out. Oh, you girl, they a lime keep on your boat. She said, Panny Bowa sun tan and spread out.
You know I said way him tell me about this girl out a south. About him have a week and how much time he make she shout. Me sight her last night a port more roundabout. She said that
Him a beer.
all him do all lip it out. Him a
Just muggle mouth. And them not have nothing where them a come and muggle boat. Them a just muggle mouth. You checking at them pocket, not a kind, not a note. Them a just muggle mouth. And can't show we nothing where them come and muggle boat. Them a just muggle mouth. You checking at them pocket and them pocket in a throat. And now them they a niggle on them weekend trip. Or they a margarita villa eat and sip. Cause him reach at the casino get him seat and chips. Get him house now have a toilet here when he can
the
sit.
boy a catch him fluids in a buckle. While the carrot chuckle up he live in a him car. You the latest muggle. Is a fast food pest. Him no pay GPS. Cause every time the gas price them go up him a stress.
And them a just muggle mouth. And them not have nothing where them a come and muggle boat. Them a just muggle mouth. You checking at them pocket, not a kind, not a note. Them a just muggle mouth. And can't show we nothing where them come and muggle boat. Them a just muggle mouth. You checking at them pocket and them pocket in a throat. Chill yo, stop tell people your business.
Benz Crew. I want to know the two movie stars, you know.
Checkmate.
Hey, so them a shopping up foreign and can't look better than you.
Don't shopping.
Them shop at New York, Paris and London still a get two.
Don't shopping.
You buy one uptown, downtown, say you woulda get few.
Don't shopping.
And when you step out the road, them swear say you're muggling crew. Them a roll. Because where you put on your downtown boot and your hairstyle they were well cute. Man no stop, them a tote.
Cause you know downtown man a true. I got this.
And when you want by the dopey eyelash and the sweet perfume body wash and the powder for the oh gosh. And the long nail fi grab up me back.
Because your shoes up and match with the jeans and cap and rose gold chain with a Gucci watch. From Louis Vuitton where you off in a that. You know every new beat, you know every new chat. Girls I'm look on the pine cause they hot. Enemy a pre and a Swiss and a watch them up. Fi catch the thing when them they stagger back. I wonder fi them and them with the gal them na them lap. On every smartphone, upon every laptop. The gal them just a bubble and a wine and a shop. Only downtown you see vibes like that. So them a shopping up foreign and can't look better than you.
Don't shopping.
Them shop at New York, Paris and London still a get two.
Don't shopping.
You buy one uptown, downtown, say you woulda get few.
Don't shopping.
And when you step out the road, them swear say you're muggling crew.
Don't shopping.
Them a roll. Come and make you down a Princess Street. They so the artist your style them a beat.